The Overview module is your command center for managing boxes in BigPicture. It gives you a clear picture of your box structure, progress, and key information, while providing quick access to the most common management actions. The Overview module offers 3 different view modes, each designed for a different way of working. The Hierarchy view displays boxes in a tree structure that you can expand or collapse to focus on the level of detail you need. In this view, you can customize and switch between column views. Display contextual reports. Access common box actions such as configure, edit, duplicate configuration, archive, delete, and change status. Add boxes to favorites. Open a selected box in a module. The timeline view combines the hierarchical box structure with a timeline, making it easy to understand how your boxes are scheduled. The left side displays the box hierarchy, while the right side shows boxes on a timeline. Box colors indicate their status. Gray, not started. Blue, in progress. Green, closed. In this view, you can adjust timeline settings. Customize and switch between column views. Move boxes to reschedule them. Resize box bars to change their duration. Right-click the box to access common box actions such as configure, edit, archive, delete, and change status. The Kanban board visualizes boxes based on their status, helping you quickly track progress. Here you can drag and drop boxes to change their status. Access common box actions such as configure, edit, archive, delete, and change status. Add boxes to favorites. Open a selected box in a module. No matter which view you're using, you can create new boxes by clicking Create New and completing the box details. You can also create boxes in line directly from the view. In the Hierarchy and Timeline views, you can sort boxes, customize the layout, and display archive boxes. In the Kanban board view, you can sort boxes and display archive boxes. To quickly find specific boxes, use the search bar or filtering options. Click the star icon to display your favorite boxes, or select Share to share your current view with other users. If Big Template is installed, you'll also see the export option. To sum up, the Overview module lets you manage and monitor your boxes from a single place, using the view that best suits your needs.